Hello, my name is Kelly Kelso, and today we're going to look at the importance of adding labels to your blog posts. You may ask, why would I want to add labels to each one of my posts? And there are several reasons for this. First of all, the labels allow you to categorize and sort your blog content in your blog. It also allows visitors, when they come to your blog, to be able to choose related blog posts for a particular topic. It also will help the user navigate easier through your blog. So let's look at what we're talking about when we talk about labels. Some applications call them tags. In Blogger, they call them labels. So you'll notice that here is a blog post that I have put in. And you'll notice right down at the bottom it says labels, and I've got a label of Google Apps listed here. You also notice that I have added a gadget over here to the right hand side that puts all the labels I have for my blog in a cloud. So this way a visitor could come and look and see all the different labels. If I click on the Google Apps label, then what this does is it now shows all of my posts that have the label of Google Apps. So I see that I have one from TCEA Day 2 that's going to have some information from Day 1. So there are several different blog posts that I have with that label. So now let's look at how easy it would be to either go back in and edit a blog post, or if I add a new blog post, how to add a label to that. So I am going to go in and I'm going to go back to my design. And I'm going to look at my list of posts. From here it will have all of my posts listed. It also, next to each post, will show the labels that I have attached to each one of those. But to add, I'm going to go to this first post and I'm going to click on Edit. And as it's bringing that up, you'll see that you come into the editing area. So whether you have a new post or you're editing a post that you already have, all you do is come right over here to the right, and where it says labels, you just click on it, and then you would add another label to this. You could also, instead of typing it in, if it's a label you've already created, you could find that. So if I wanted to add collaboration, I could very easily just click on collaboration and it would add that label there for me. Now when I update, I see that I now have both of those listed. Another thing I could do, if I go back into Edit, is I could just type in a new label if I wanted to. So maybe I want to add a label here for timers, because this talks about a timer. So I can put timer, and then notice that the labels are separated by commas. So I could just put a comma and I could continue adding any other labels that I want to. So when I update, I now have a new label called timer, and so anything that talks about timers would come up whenever we click on that. So when I go back to view my blog, I can now look at that blog post, and now I have 3 labels listed. I have timer, Google Apps, and collaboration.